Sunshine!
None have gone through the forest in Johor. Hiking, camping.
Room tour. Oh, there's even a full length mirror.
Already. So is it a video? Is this a video?
Oh yeah, it is. Do you want to give some thoughts?
They're so adorable. I want to sleep there.
Yeah. Correct. It's so communal and cozy. Day one concluding thoughts. Okay, see you go.
We just started, so still feels quite okay. Not so tired yet, but excited for next 2 days.
Yay.
So official.
I am very
Okay, Jiaxuan.
I'm energetic. I slept throughout the whole day. Yes, she's so much energy right now.
Let's go.
You still can't relate.
Yeah, I can't. Okay. Cause it what?
I realized just how attractive I am.
Oh, what?
I have 6 mosquito bites, and I'm winning so far. That's not a great thing.
Yeah.
Wow.
I have none.
Wow.
Yeah, okay, but I'm dead tired. I'm so tired. From traveling.
Lisa, what's your thought?
I'm just tired from traveling.
Yes.
And
Did you guys wash your hair?
yeah.
I did.
Thanks.
Dry already? No.
Mangrove fit check. Booties from Science Lab. Pants from Decathlon. Shirt from NUS. Sleeves from Decathlon. Hat from Vietnam. What about your fit?
I don't remember. Decat,
Okay.
schools,
Yes.
JC, and China. Yes.
Yay. Mangrove. After the mangrove.
Fiona. You can hold it.
Okay, go. Go.
This is a well-filled cracks. So when it is a crack, they have white light blocks.
It's a bee.
Oh shit, do you see the big one?
But it's mosquito, right?
Oh no, never mind. Nothing else. Huh? Wait, mosquito. Don't have
Whole face right. End of mangrove.
Yay.
Day one.
Day one done.
You should look at our shack face. Day one done.
Day one.
0.5 mosquito. I can see. Can you see? Yeah, okay.
What day is this? Day 3?
He's sleeping.
Yeah. He's not listening to the briefing.
Wait, Reese is doing her. Wait, she starts vlogging. Okay, then you do it. What is it?
Oh. Oh, I can't even open my eyes. Oh, wow.
Nice.
Nice. How's the view?
Is it a video?
It's
Yes,
for a
it's a
vlog.
video. Yeah.
Ah!
How's the view? How's the view?
Great.
mangroves, the peat swamps.
Oh, really? Can you point it out?
Oh yeah. Here.
Alright. And what else? And the lighthouse.
Yeah, the lighthouse you see every night.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're watching.
Hey, show the spread, the spread.
Thank you.
Most unnatural pose I ever seen.
Wait, I was meat eating.
Very natural. Me eating. I know I'm good. Interact anything.
Okay.
Can be a K drama music now.
Betul lah.
We go on auto instead.
Oh, later go baju lah.
We already show you how to do the planting, right? And hope your tree is growing very well.
You'll be in my vlog.
Is that why you brought your? Yeah. I also wanted that. I just checked there anything.
The second day they come and take what we find. And next time I would like to bring them and stay at the village.
Teacher, where you come from? New Zealand. New Zealand. Welcome to Malaysia. Anwar.
No, tapa.
Tapa.
Ikan tapa. This one, is mainly for pig water.
Bawa ke sini ikannya lah. Ni dalam ni nak tengok.
You can see the giraffe on your right. No, so it's a cow, okay? So the white color is day 4. Okay, day.
Oh, apa? Ayam. Alang kan lagi.
Laundry. And Kezia put the coins in the dryer instead of the washer.
But you can see it's big.
Yeah.
Yes, flame back woodpecker.
everyone else is outside looking at birds. This is my anti-leech protection feature. Up sneeze, duck, cover up holes. And then tuck in your shirt. Vlogging. Yeah. We are on the boat. Yay. Oh, I have we are on the boat. Any thoughts?
Huh, what?
Her vlog.
Hi.
She's even worse than me. Yeah. These are leech socks.
The weather sucks.
Leech socks. What colour is yours? Oh. Wow. Special. No, it's not on TikTok. Okay, never mind. Bye. Thoughts after the hike?
It was fun. The leeches were like beside.
So basically we roll it and then we flick it off.
Just like how you flick off your beside.
Yeah. Okay, thoughts after the hike? Too easy. Oh.
Okay, trekking. Good.
Thoughts after the hike? Hi. Thoughts?
She only says hi.
Thoughts on your hike?
Thoughts on your hike?
Nice.
What are your thoughts on your hike? See already.
They shared already.
Yeah, watch the video.
Anyway, I'll watch it. The hike felt shorter than our boat right here.
It was so difficult. I couldn't keep my eyes open.
Yeah, the boat right. We saw like elephant down and elephant mud things, mud tracks.
There are mushrooms growing up on the dung.
Elephant down. There's mushrooms. This has been here for a while, is it?
For mushrooms to grow on it.
Food is not strong.
Yeah, when was this
Berapa lama sudah ni?
Mr. Shah, where was this?
Yeah.
3 months already. So sorry.
Oh, then cannot.
So this long one is a new wood. So you
This one can go Olympic already. Low pipe. Yup. Yup. Okay.
Oh.
exactly the same thing.
Beach socks. We're on the river again. Wait, how to do that?
Photo with the drone or?
I thought drone. That's why they're.
I thought we were taking photo of us.
I'm quite sure you're talking about the drone.
Take a photo with.
Oh, the drone take a picture of us. Okay.
Wait, this is for stitching.
I know, but
No, they stitched the forest area already.
Yeah, this part sort of doesn't necessarily.
Make the camera bigger.
As in every group only takes like max 15 minutes.
Right.
Yeah. Except the first group only, because first group we had to fly manually to the
Where's it?
near the water. So we had to fly manually there, then start.
I cannot see. Well, I
For
can
us we
hear
could
it.
start instantly.
On top.
Oh, it's that.
That's that to cancel.
Wait, it's coming down. It's fine. Where's it come
Wait,
down?
can we hold?
Land it.
Ah.
The rest are too sweet. Ask for a bit of strawberry.
Ice cream.
Kezia got pure vanilla.
Yeah,
The
that's
rest are too sweet.
That's basic and lame.
Lame.
But
Vanilla is good.
It is.
And it's like the evening sun. Imagine morning, you'll be so cold. Hi.
It's that way. The mountain range.
Hero Tree. Oh. Not Hero Tree. Hero Tree only got button.
Yeah, only got 2 buttons.
Oh, the cave. The cave. Cave? Where is it?
Dana's swimming craft. There. Oh, you got it.
Right here. Sky.
Hey, project away. And I want to think more.
Oh.
I think it's a beach.
I was just thinking if there were going to be marshmallows. But I thought I was getting too ahead of myself.
I was thinking about it. Oh, Ziyi, same.
We can pick up. Can see, man? I don't think so. Let me try. Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me.
Setting sun. Shit, it's too late. We had 0.5 just now. I saw the sign.